reports are to be believed, the BCCI is convincing Cricket West Indies for this reason. What is that reason? I will tell you. उसके बाद देखेंगे. Is Pat Cummins going to be missing the second leg of the IPL? और सबसे अंत में देखेंगे. Ravindra Jadeja's sword celebration back in the 2019 semi-finals World Cup. He has opened up about it. What has he said and who was that targeted for? I will give you all those details only in today's episode of News Tracker. Hello everybody. I hope you're doing well. My name is Nivedna Prabhu. Welcome to Cricket Tracker. Cricket Tracker is your one-stop destination for the latest news in the world of cricket. But before I begin the video, if you haven't liked, shared and subscribed to Cricket Tracker yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. So hit that button quickly, and without wasting time, let's get into this video to find out what's making news in the world of cricket. After the Vice President of BCCI, Rajiv Shukla, did announce the fact that the 14th season of the IPL is after all going to be resuming later this year, everyone's excited about it. But one has to also keep in mind that other T20 leagues are also scheduled for later this year. If you're talking about the Caribbean Premier League is also set to be happening during that, little bit of the period where it might clash with the IPL, because the Caribbean Premier League is kind of kept during August to September, which means that it could be a little bit of a problem. Now, if reports are to be believed, owing to this particular clash, the BCCI is reportedly asking Cricket West Indies to prepone the Caribbean Premier League. On one hand, of course, players might get tired. On the other hand, you have to keep all the pandemic rules in mind, quarantine, all the travel as well. Now, the Caribbean Premier League is said to be happening in St. Kitts and Nevis during August and September. So it's a very close period. It's a very close window that they're looking at. But what is the BCCI source said about this? I will give you those details. Now, a BCCI source said, we are in talks with Cricket West Indies. We're hoping that if CPL can be finished a few days in advance, it would help in bubble-to-bubble transfer of all players to Dubai and in time to complete the mandatory 3-day quarantine. Now, obviously, they are asking the Cricket West Indies to start the league a little bit earlier, so that then, like stated in that statement, they'll have a little bit of time to go to the UAE. But one has to, of course, wait and watch if this is going to be happening. But most importantly, you tell me, what are you more excited for, the Caribbean Premier League or the Indian T20 League to resume? Tell me your thoughts in the comment section below. Well, everyone is excited of the IPL resuming very soon. On top of that, everybody will get to see once again all their favorite players, whether we're talking about domestic Indian players or even overseas players. But there's one bad news coming in. Reportedly, Australian player as well as KKR player Pat Cummins will not be playing the second leg of the IPL. Now, this is also owing to one of the reasons that one has to keep in mind. Even before the IPL was suspended midway because of the pandemic, a lot of other cricketing events were anyway going to take place, and it's a very kind of busy schedule for all the other countries playing as well. Now, owing to that, that's probably one of the primary reasons why Pat will be missing from the second leg of the IPL. I'll give you more details on that. Now, Australia is also planning to tour Bangladesh for a 5-match T20I series, and on the other hand, Australia also has a tour to the Caribbean set in line from late June onwards, and later a one-off test against Afghanistan, followed of course by the Ashes. So that looks like a very heavy packed kind of schedule for the Australian team. So obviously, when you're talking about choosing between playing for the country and an Indian T20 league as well, players will of course be giving their country the first priority. But if Pat is definitely not going to be playing in the second leg of the IPL, how much do you think it's going to make a difference to the KKR team? Let me know in the comment section below. The altercation between Ravindra Jadeja and Sanjay Manjrekar is not new to the cricketing world. We all know back then when Sanjay Manjrekar did call Ravindra Jadeja a bits and pieces cricketer, which did not go down too well with Ravindra Jadeja. What did Ravindra Jadeja do? Well, he retaliated by saying that Sanjay was having a classic case of verbal diarrhea. But in fact, he also went down to shut down all those critics by performing exceptionally well in the semi-finals of the 2019 World Cup, where Jadeja got 77 of 59 deliveries. Now, the fantastic part about that was not only did he actually go on to prove his caliber, but also had a little bit of a sword act after that, match, because of the fact that he was trying to shut down his critics, of course. And now Jadeja has spoken about that particular sword act of his right now. What did he say? I will tell you. Now, Jadeja has now stated that he was in fact searching for Manjrekar in the commentary box after his 50 so that he could target his sports celebrations directly at him. Jadeja said, "Tab to batta garam tha na." which basically means the grill was hot then. I was searching for the commentary box, then I thought it must be somewhere there only. And those who understand would know who I was targeting the celebration at. Well, in a gist, of course, he's trying to say that was a way of him trying to, shut down all his critics, and also that kind of comment that Manjrekar made to really say that at the end of the day, Jadeja knows his caliber and he is one of those kind of players who has definitely, stepped up when the team requires him to do so. But what do you all think about that sword act of Jadeja back then and his reply right now about it? Let me know in the comment section below. Well, उसी के साथ दोस्तों ये वीडियो यहीं पर खत्म होता है. If you like the video, you know what to do. Give it a big thumbs up. Follow all our social media channels. And of course, if you want to stay updated about everything happening in the world of cricket, what do you have to do? Hit that subscribe button if you haven't, so that you are updated every time we come back with a new video for you. My name is Nivedna Prabhu. I'll be seeing you very soon. Until I see you next time, like I always say, wear your mask and be responsible and stay at home and take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.